Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on Djinn and Khodams. So first of all, I'll talk a little about what they are so you know what you're getting in this package. Well, most people know what Djinn are, the Genies, but they have various ideas about how real they are. Djinn are basically seen as spirits of smokeless fame, basically beings who are there to help us. And people ask, well, why should something be there to help us? Well, first of all, I want to remind you that in our spiritual growth, we recognize that we all come from one source. The thing is, when we separated, we left that power outside ourselves. These bits of power outside ourselves are basically still waiting there to reclaim and help us. This is what the Djinn and Khodams are. These bits of your spiritual power you're not yet using. So everybody has the ability to call upon these spiritual helpers. The first line of those powers is what we call the Djinn, like a parallel magical race, who are good at manifesting your reality. Secondly, above that, we have the Khodams. These are seen as between Djinn and angels. Angels are more universal forces. The personal guardian angels we have are actually Khodams, something in between. So these are your higher beings which are there to look after you. Djinn to often look at your survival needs, Khodams your more spiritual needs. So they are there. One can call upon them. So this course is a very practical one that's going to teach you how to work with them. It'll give you all the do's and don'ts about Djinn communication. That's how it might work, and avoid things that will put them off. But also going to give some very powerful empowerments from Javanese magic. Going to give you an attunement to this magical system of Java, which gives you the ability to call Djinn just by using a simple mantra. And you can call them for various purposes, say money, love, protection, healing, or general spiritual development. Also be aware, though, that working with Djinn does not take away self-responsibility. They're beings we co-create with. It means if you're already on a path that actually wants to manifest your destiny, manifest for your own dreams, by co-creating with a Djinn, you do it far more powerfully, get faster and better results. So if you're already in a path of starting to actually want to create your dreams and you want to up the game and do it much faster, more efficiently, then this is the course for you. So hit that button and I'll see you there.